Hey guys, welcome back to the kitchen. You guys, how is everybody doing today? Good, because your girl is back with another video. You guys, today we are going to make us some dessert. Okay, some of you guys know that I already does not indulge in a lot of sweets. But I wanted to bring this little quick air fried or fried pies to the video. Now you could do this fried pie with any pie filling that of your choice. I'm choosing apple today, you guys. And we also have the Pillsbury crust, you guys. And we only got 2 simple ingredients. Well, really 1, because that was another brand. But we have some cinnamon, okay? Some ground cinnamon. And yeah, your girl is going to go ahead and get into this video for you guys, because we're going to go ahead and make some pies right quick. Okay? So yeah, go get your snack and come on back. I like to put a little cinnamon in here. I don't think it needs any extra sugar at all, because like I say, that is your option to add you some sugar if that's what you like. Okay, so now we're back and we have our pie shell open. So how we're going to do this is we're going to go ahead and I guess I'm going to cut it 4 ways. Well, that, who knows? Anywho. Okay. Cut it any way you want, you guys. That's your choice. And I'm going to lay me some pie filling right here. We don't want to make it too much, you guys. And how I am going to do this is I'm going to bring this over to meat, you guys. Let me get me a fork, and I'm going to cut this off. Just take this away. Now with this, I'm going to give it a tug, just to get rid of some of that crust right there. And we're going to go ahead and still tuck it. And we're going to lift this one up, because we're going to go on and use this extra right in here. I'm still gonna tuck. That's to protect the pie filling from coming out, you guys. And yeah, so we have that one ready. You guys, let me reach over here. And I'm gonna just lift it gentle off my . And we're going to lay it over here. So we're going to do the next one. We're going to pull it. You guys may hear Carter. Okay, well. Smash. Like I say, you guys, I'm no professional, but I do enjoy being creative in the kitchen. That one is not perfect, but it will get eaten. I may have to add some more though. Let's see how this goes. Cover that up. So as you guys see, I'm coming out with all shapes, but it's still gonna be delicious. So let me get done with this and I'll be back. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and insert that, and we're gonna power and 30 minutes. We're gonna check on it because we're gonna go with 23 minutes, and we're gonna see how that works, you guys. So yeah, we'll be back once our pies are fried. Let's check on our pies, you guys. Oh, look at there. Oh my goodness. Doesn't that look amazing? You guys, let me bring one out. Oh, that is looking so delicious, you guys. Let's check it out. Oh my goodness. So yeah, it didn't take long at all. But we got 4 minutes left. So let me go ahead and close this video on out. You guys stay tuned for the glazing. So guys, we are back. So that is the first 4. And we're going to put some glaze on it. Just like so. But we gotta add the rest. Yes. I'm gonna put these right here. You guys, check it out. Some delicious homemade fried pies, you guys. Now those is not gonna have as much glaze because I don't know, in case I want to just drizzle. So look at that deliciousness, you guys. Yes, let's see. Oh, homemade fried apple pies, you guys. So yeah, go tell a friend what Miss T has did on her channel. And yeah, you guys, I hope you enjoyed this video enough to like, comment, and share with any everyone. Let them know what your girl is doing on this channel. And you guys, stay safe and blessed, because I will see you guys on the next video. Goodbye. You want to look close up? Let's see if we can get you a little closer. Yeah. Goodbye. Sending much love from my house to yours.